Hi, welcome. Uh, we are discussing about question tags and that too, how to frame question tags. So, we are discussing about question tags and the rules for how to frame question tags. And we are discussing about the fourth rule of question tags. I told you that some of the semi-negative words, so which gives completely negative words, when we find it in any sentence. So the words like um, little, few, hardly, scarcely, rarely, seldom, never, no, etc., etc. So if you find any of these words in any statement of the question tag, that statement should consider as a negative statement, right? So that if you find any of these words in any statement of the question tag, we should consider it as a negative statement. Say for example, right, let's say few students are in the class. So this is a statement. Few students are in the class. See, basically the sentence has no not. Still we should consider this statement as negative because the sentence adds few. So that the statement is negative because of few, so that the tag should be positive. So let's take the helping verb of the statement are. So already this is negative, so that tag should be positive are. So are they is a question tag, right? And he hardly won the match is a statement. So this statement should consider as a negative statement because of the word hardly. The word hardly is negative word. That's why the statement is a negative statement. So the statement is negative. That's why tag should be positive. Let's take. So here one is the main verb, so that one is in the V2, verb 2, so that did, right? Did he, right? Already this is a negative statement, that's why tag should be positive. Did he, like that. Next, they rarely visit our our village. They rarely visit our village. So because of the word negative meaning oriented word rarely, this sentence is also negative. That's why tag should be positive. So visit is in verb 1 form. That's why we add do, and do they is the answer. So once again, if you find any word of the any set of this word in a statement, the statement should be considered as a negative and tag should be positive because these words are all called semi-negative words, right? So these words called semi negative word or words which gives us negative sense meaning, right? So this is fourth rule. Okay, next. So there are some words which we can see in the statements, like in the place of pronouns, the words like someone, somebody, anyone, anybody. Everyone, everybody. Like these words, if you find these type of words as a preposition in a statement, so the pronoun for this type of words should be they. The pronoun for these types of words should be they. So let's see. So how it comes in true. For example, somebody or someone knock the door, right? Someone knocked the door, which, so knocked is in V2. That's why did. Already this is negative, sorry, positive, so we should add not to the tag question. And I told you pronoun for this word as they, so we should add they for the pronoun. So didn't they is a tag question. And let's see one more example. Everybody accepted. Everybody accepted or accept. Everybody accept the rule. Everybody accept the rule. So here the verb is accept is in verb 1 form. That's why do. And this is also a positive statement, so that we should add not. And pronoun for the everybody is they. So don't they is the tag question. Like, so any of these words can find in any statement. So pronoun of this word should they. So this is the fifth example, right? And let's see the next example. So it is a general rule. So this is general rule. See, wherever you see in a statement like let's, right, automatically the tag should be shall we. So wherever in any statement in question tag, so automatically the tag question should be shall we, right? So say for example, let's go for a walk. So whenever you see let's, automatically the tag question should be shall we, right? Let's have meal together. Let's have meal together. Automatically The tag question should be shall we, right? So whatever, if a statement starts with let's, automatically the tag question should be shall we. And some more adding for the let's. Say for example, let him go. So if you see let him go, the statement of a question tag. So here him is the indirect pronoun. So the direct pronoun for this is he, right? So the answer is shall he, right? And let her dance. Let her dance. See, her is the indirect subject, and when we convert it into direct subject, she. So that tag question should be shall she, like that, right? So this is the sixth type of example. So we shall discuss some more examples or some more rules in our next class. Thank you.